Here we have the particular example of reduction of order. Statement says that y1 is equal to x cube is the solution of this differential equation, that is x square into y double dash minus 6y equals to 0. So one solution is given, that is y1, that is equal to x cube, and we have the second order differential equation x square into y double dash minus 6y equals to 0. So we start this with let or assume y equals to u into y1, and here y1 is a specific function and that is x cube, so I am replacing it as x cube. Okay, so y dash is, by using the product rule, u dash into x cube plus x cube has the derivative 3x square into u, and also y double dash equals to product rule of here, this product rule, u double dash into x cube plus 3x square into u dash, right? Second product rule, first derivative is, I guess, 6x into u plus first as it is and u dash. Alright, what is common here? This thing is common and this thing is common. So I'm writing it as u double dash x cube 3x square u dash plus 3x square u dash, that becomes 6x square u dash plus 6x into u. Now y double dash, y dash and y, we replace it in this given differential equation. So our statement will become x square into y double dash is here, u double dash into x cube plus 6x square into u dash plus 6 into x into u minus 6y. Y is u into x cube equals to 0. Multiply it term by term, so that becomes u double dash into x 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, u dash 6 and x 4 plus x 6x cube into u minus 6u into x cube equals to 0. Alright, this is plus 6x cube into u minus 6x cube into u. So this gets cancelled. Same terms, you can see u has 1 power and x cube has x has 3 power. So plus 6 and minus 6, they gets cancelled each other. So now the remaining terms are u double dash x to the power 5 plus 6u dash x to the power 4 equals to 0. Now our second assumption is that you have to assume that, what you have to assume? Reduce the order, right? So assume, second assumption is u dash be w, w equals to u dash. Okay, now we replace it this w dash into x5 plus 6w into x4 equals to 0. So what it becomes, I can see that it is separable. I don't see it, I cannot use it, the other method of integrating factor. I can simply solve it, I can see that I can simply solve it by separation of variables, honestly. So this is dw by dx x5 minus 6w x4, right? So 1 by w dw, and combining these x terms, so x4 by x5 minus 6 into dx. So simply integration, or skipping all the steps, divide by w, divide by y1, nothing needed. Natural log of w, and what is it? I'm solving it in this minus 6, 1 by x dx minus 6 natural log of x plus c. Simple. Natural log of w plus 6 natural log of x equals to c. Right. Next step. Natural log of w plus natural log of x to the power 6 equals to c. Next step, w into x to the power 6 equals to c, and w into x6 equals to e to the power c. So you can say that it is c1 equals to c1 divided by x to the power 6. Okay, right. Replacement of these terms. So w is basically u1 dash. So u1 dash equals to c1 divided by x6 and d u dash basically. And what you have to do, you have to integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, it leads to du becomes u equals to c1, and when it integrates, it becomes x to the power minus 5, x to the power minus 5 divided by minus 5, or 1 over x to the power 5, and c1 and what else plus c2, right? Okay, writing it again, arranging it again. Minus c1 divided by 5 x to the power 5 c2, and one more assumption replacement is that u1 is u is basically y by x cube, right? So we convert it again. Where should I convert? I'm writing it with pink. So u, replacing this u with y by x cube equals to minus c1. I am writing in one page so that you can relate it, each and every statement you can relate it. So minus c1 divided by 5 x to the power 5 plus c2, and then y equals to minus c1 into x cube divided by 5x to the power 5 plus c2 x cube. So that becomes minus c1, 5 minus 3 square plus c2 x cube. So here is this combination of solution. One solution is given. I can write it as one solution is already given, that is this y1, and the other one is c1 into minus 1 by 5x square plus c2 into x square. So that means y2 was minus 1 over 5x square. Right? So with the help of this first solution, we are able to find the second solution. I hope that you understand this method. Very interesting method. I personally like a lot. So if you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.